Welcome to Cooking by the Book. My name is Katy and we're here today with another wonderful book and recipe for you. They say the way to a man's heart is through his stomach, and it's definitely the case in today's book, where this coconut cake brings together unlikely friends and lovers, Lou and Al. We have Grandma Luella's coconut cake here from The Coincidence of Coconut Cake by Amy Reichert, and it is a wonderful recipe. Let's get started. For Grandma Luella's coconut cake, we will need 5 large egg whites, 3/4 cup cream of coconut, 1/4 cup coconut milk, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon coconut extract, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 1/4 cups cake flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of table salt, 12 tablespoons of unsalted butter, softened and cut into 12 pieces. To get started, we'll mix our eggs, extracts, coconut milk, and coconut cream together in a medium bowl. Once we have that well combined, we'll take our dry ingredients, our cake flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder, and we'll mix those together in a larger mixing bowl. Now, using a mixer, we're going to slowly beat in 1 piece of butter at a time until we've got them all in there and our mixture looks like coarse crumbs. Next, we'll add in about a cup of our egg mixture. We'll let that beat until it's well combined, and then we'll slowly add in the rest of our egg mixture, waiting until everything looks light and fluffy and well mixed together. Now it's ready to go into our cake pans. We're going to divide it evenly between 2 9-inch cake pans that have been brushed with melted butter and lined in the bottom with parchment paper. We'll just smooth out the tops. Now they're ready to go in the oven at 325 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. For coconut frosting, we will need 2 tablespoons coconut milk, 1 teaspoon coconut extract, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a pinch of table salt, 16 tablespoons of unsalted butter, softened, a 1/4 cup cream of coconut, 3 cups powdered sugar, and 2 cups of toasted coconut. To make our frosting, we'll start by mixing together our extracts, salt, and coconut milk in a small bowl. Now we're going to use our mixer to beat our cream of coconut and our butter together until those are smooth. Once we have those well combined, we're going to slowly add in our powdered sugar until that also is well combined and we have a smooth frosting. Once that's well combined, we'll add in our extract mixture. And we have a smooth and fluffy frosting ready for our cake. To finish off Luella's coconut cake, we're going to spread some of the frosting in between the layers, top with our toasted coconut, and then spread around the cake, the frosting, and press in the rest of our toasted coconut. Now we're ready to serve, and quickly, because this cake won't last long. We hope you enjoyed today's episode of Cooking by the Book. We'll see you next time.